small office poses a unique set of challenges to the air pressure technician. System Studies Incorporated is familiar with these challenges and offers a complete line of products and solutions to meet all of your air pressurization needs. Certain small offices that do not have a regulator mounted to the flow measurement assembly may experience repeated and intermittent increase of flow alarms. This is because the regulators of their piston-type air dryers have difficulty maintaining a precise output pressure of 10 psi. Because their output is slightly variable, the flow measurement readings of the UM260 may come into alarm randomly when the compressor kicks on. Piston-type dryers have an internal balance tank that is filled on an as-needed basis by the compressor. The compressor operates at a constant PSI of 60 psi. Once the balance tank reaches 60 psi, the compressor stops running. The compressed air is slowly discharged from the balance tank into the distribution panel through an internal pressure regulator set to 10 psi. When the psi in the balance tank drops below about 20 psi, the mechanical compressor begins to fill the tank back up to 60 psi. While the pressure in the balance tank is rising, many regulators will have difficulty maintaining a constant 10 psi of output. Even an imperceptible increase in output pressure can cause a measurable increase in airflow through the flow measurement assembly. This increase in flow can cause a 4-star alarm when no real alarm is warranted. To maintain a constant delivery pressure and to eliminate any possible false alarms, install a regulator at the input of the flow finder to the flow measurement assembly. The pressure regulator internal to the dryer unit should be set at 18 psi, while the regulator on the flow measurement assembly should be set to 10 psi. Nitrogen cylinders are an invaluable air source that can give temporary protection to underground cables and provide an emergency backup air source for central office compressors. Many small offices will have a nitrogen tank backup to the main air dryer unit. To maintain adequate pressure in case of an emergency or a dryer malfunction, it is very important to monitor your nitrogen cylinders for their volume remaining. The System Studies nitrogen tank sensor can be screwed into the fitting on the high pressure side of the nitrogen cylinder regulator. The nitrogen tank sensor is wired to the TD termination point of the UM260. The nitrogen tank sensor is entered into Pressure Map as an MB device type. Pressure Map will generate a 4-star alarm when the nitrogen tank volume drops by 20% or more in a 24-hour period, or when less than 20% of the measured volume remains in the cylinder. This gives technicians time to resolve the situation before your system suffers a catastrophic loss of pressure. The UM260 micromonitor is ideal for the small office application. The UM260 provides continual monitoring for up to 4 binary devices and 16 transducer devices in your cable pressurization system. It also enables you to use one contact control relay device. To accommodate device pairs from the field, the monitor is equipped with a single 25-pair female Amphenol connector. As an alternative to terminating devices at a standard connector block, System Studies offers 2 termination adapters to allow direct plug-in connectivity. Our 21-pair adapter accommodates the full monitoring capacity of the UM260 micromonitor. Our 6-pair adapter is designed for a maximum of 3 transducer devices and 3 binary devices. It is ideal for very small offices where a dial-educer is being replaced. The UM260 is also available in a pole-mounted dryer monitoring kit for remote locations. The rugged case comes complete with a pre-wired UM260, a flow measurement assembly, and a 48-volt battery backup kit.